Hey everybody! Today we're going to the island of Madagascar to learn about aye-ayes. They're an endangered primate we're working to save right here in North Carolina. Although their population is declining, we can all raise awareness to help save these fascinating, one-of-a-kind animals. This little guy is an aye-aye. He has a couple of characteristics that tell us he's nocturnal, like his large bat-like ears which are very sensitive to sound and his huge eyes that help detect objects in dim light. Aye-ayes are about the size of raccoons and even resemble them a bit with their long bushy tails. In fact, when they were first discovered, people thought aye-ayes were a new type of squirrel. They're actually primates, though, and the only ones with constantly growing front teeth like a rodent. Aye-ayes have long, thin fingers to help sense the world around them, and the middle finger is the most important. They use it to hunt insects using echolocation. They tap along tree branches until they hear a hollow insect tunnel, then bite open the branch to dig out prey with their long middle finger, using it just like a spoon. Recreating dinner time for aye-ayes in captivity can be very difficult. Aye-ayes also eat certain nuts, nectar, and fruits, but insects are a good portion of their diet, which is handy since they spend most of their time in trees. They aren't afraid of walking, though, and the only lemur that spends more time on the ground is the ring-tailed lemur. Today, aye-ayes are dispersed across several forests in Madagascar, though at one time they were thought to be extinct. They were rediscovered in their native region in 1953 in the Mananera Nord forest. We estimate there are currently about 1 to 2,000 in the wild based on their nests and markings. Individual ranges can be fairly large. Females average about 100 acres, and males' ranges can be 3 to 5 times larger than that. Ranges can overlap, but aye-ayes mostly live alone unless they're courting or a mother is caring for an infant. Males avoid each other and may fight if they meet. Sadly, aye-ayes have an undeserved reputation in Madagascar as bad omens. Locals often kill them on sight because of this superstition and also because they're considered crop pests. Their biggest threat is habitat destruction. The IUCN, or International Union for the Conservation of Nature, wants to promote local involvement, ecotourism, research, and captive colonies to help them recover. Even though aye-ayes live in several forests around Madagascar, there are very few of them at each location, so they have very low genetic diversity. This makes it easier for mutations, disease, or disasters to wipe them out. The IUCN's captive colonies would exchange members with wild populations so they can have a better chance to avoid extinction. Even though some people find them scary, aye-ayes are primates just like us. They are endangered, but there's still time to work together to save them from extinction if we understand how they live and what they need to survive. Otherwise, we might lose these unique insect-eating, finger-spoon-having primates.